Hello everybody, this is Shake-Line.com. Hello everybody, this is Shake-Line.com. Today we are going to prepare really iconic cocktail, the Dry Martini. You have heard about it maybe? Yes, James Bond drink. We're going to do it in the proper way. We're going to make it dry. There are different. Yeah, there is dry, extra dry. The one we're going to make it, we're not going to use so much vermouth. Yeah, so this cocktail is a classic. You have seen it several times in the movies. And also, I'm going to explain you in the end how it's the most typical way to eat it. So we're gonna start with our ingredients. Today we're gonna use gin, vermouth. I have it in a small bottle so it's easier to handle it. Yeah, and in the way we're gonna use it, also it's easier. And we're gonna make our decoration with olives. So let's start with the most important part. We're gonna chill the glass. This time it's really important to chill it. We're gonna add some ice. I decided to put a big ice because it helps a lot to chill the glass a little bit better. Whoa, it's dancing a little bit, but it's good. It helps a lot to chill the glass. So what we're gonna do now, we need 6 centiliters of gin and then a spray of vermouth. We're gonna work today with our stirring glass, our bar spoon. As always, you can use a regular glass and a regular spoon. Yeah, it's really easy. You can prepare it at home. We're gonna use also our strainer, really important to the end. So first of all, we're gonna add 2 sprays of the vermouth to get all the aroma. This is an extra dry. I need to be really specific. Now with our jigger, we remember we have 4 centiliters in the big side and 2 centiliters in the small side. We're gonna add 6 centiliters. Yeah, and this time it's a little bit more alcohol than ice. And then 2 centiliters. So in total there are 6 centiliters. The next step, it's gonna be adding ice to the stirring glass. We put ice always to go above the level of the liquid that we have. And we're gonna stir it. So we take our spoon, we put it the back part looking to the egg and to the outside of the glass, and we start just stirring it. See, this time we really need to stir it a lot. Yeah, you have heard it like no, please shake and no stir it. This is the most common way to do it. Yeah, we have to stir it maybe around 20 seconds, 30 seconds to dilute the ice. Once that is ready, we're gonna see it now that actually the level of the ice decreased because it's dissolved in water. Once that is ready, we put our spoon on the side, we take out the ice, and with our strainer, we are gonna top this. You can also use a julep spoon. We're gonna explain later in another video what is a julep spoon. And we start pouring it. Only the liquid. Look how beautiful, clear color. This time we go down once, we make small circles, and again for the last drops. Okay? Once we have this, we're gonna add the olives. I suggest to put 3 olives. It's always a little bit easier to eat it. And we just put them inside. And there you go, guys. This is our martini, dry martini. So cheers. Please remember to subscribe. Here just press the bell, press subscribe, and see you in the next video. Cheers, guys. Oh, refreshing. I like it.